Top free video editing software in 2025. Edit like a pro. Without spending a peso, video creation is more popular than ever. But the good news is, you don't need to spend anything to make impressive content. Here are some of the most reliable free video editing tools, along with what makes them shine and what might hold you back. First, DaVinci Resolve platform. Windows, Mac OS, Linux Pros, industry-leading color grading and correction, professional-level audio editing, Fairlight, powerful multi-track timeline and visual effects tools. Cons: steeper learning curve for beginners, requires a powerful computer, resource-intensive. Some advanced tools only available in the paid studio version. Second, CapCut platform, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, Web Pros, beginner-friendly interface, AI-powered tools, auto captions, background removal. Great templates and trending effects for social media. Cons: limited advanced manual controls compared to pro editors. Cloud-based features may require login desktop version, still catching up to mobile in some areas. Third is Shotcut platform, Windows, Mac OS, Linux Pros, open source and completely free wide format, support and customizable filters, decent balance of advanced tools without being overwhelming. Cons: interface feels less modern, occasional bugs or performance dips, no built-in templates or stock media. Fourth, OpenShot platform, Windows, Mac OS, Linux Pros, very simple and clean interface. Drag and drop editing, great for beginners. 3D animation titles and basic effects. Cons: limited advanced editing tools. Slower performance on longer projects. Occasional crashes on large files. Fifth, Canva, video editor. Platform, web, mobile pros. Extremely easy to use with templates. Great for social media content and marketing videos. Large library of free stock assets, fonts, and elements. Cons: timeline editing is basic, limited control over complex video edits. Some premium features require paid subscription. And sixth is Clipchamp. Platform, web, Windows Pros, quick and intuitive for short-form videos. Templates for intros, promos, and social posts. AI tools like text-to-speech and auto captions. Cons: browser-based, needs stable internet for best experience. Advanced features like HD exports or branding may need a paid plan. Less suited for long, complex projects. Tip: try 2 or 3 tools to see which interface feels most comfortable. Free tools have grown powerful. Your creativity is the real limit.